the sanctuary of love, the sanctuary of celebration. I recognize the presence of that one life, that one source, that one divine essence. That grace, the gratitude, the joy, the sense of peace and wonder. It's here right now, present. And I am so grateful to know this truth, that I can tap into this moment of grace, of joy, of celebration, tap into this moment of love and peace at any time. I can be aware. And when I am at peace, it ripples out. So I'm so grateful for this message today, for this coming together of today, for this time and this place. And knowing that all is well, I simply say, and so it is.
All right, let's sing it now. God, prepare me to be a sanctuary, pure and holy, tried and true. With thanksgiving, I'll be a living sanctuary. A sanctuary.